Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hi sir.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Today before we start our class, let's reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Next, I will check for your coming first.
Yes.
Okay, Lenny, Deviana, Farija, Anin. Okay. Next is, do you know about explanation sequential? Okay, I will explain. The definition of sequential explanation is the text are explain and describe a process or how something is happen or occur with the steps in order they happen. Jadi sequential itu berurutan seperti kayak prosedur teks, cuman bedanya ini lebih ke bagaimana itu terjadi. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, the generic structure is, the first is the title. Do you know what the meaning of title?
Yeah.
Yes. And the next is general statement is explain or introduce the issue or apa yang akan dibahas itu dibahas di general statement. Kemudian yaitu yang ketiga sequence of events, yaitu urutan-urutan peristiwa yang terjadi di dalam explanation-nya. Yang terakhir adalah conclusion atau ini optional sih. Okay, and the next is language features. Use simple present tense, karena simple present itu berdasarkan fakta atau kebiasaan ya kan, makanya menggunakan simple present tense. Kemudian yaitu action verbs seperti flow, change, absorb, and etc. And number third is using sequence connective like first, second, third, and finally. And the last is chronological order, yaitu harus runtut kejadiannya. Okay, next is please read together with all of you, read together this text.
Okay.
How
flood is heaven.
A flood does not happen suddenly. It follows a clear sequence of events. Here is how a flood usually happens. First, the rain falls for a long time without stopping. The weather becomes dark, and the air feels heavier. Next, the ground starts to fill with water. At the beginning, the soil absorbs the rain, but after some time, it becomes full. Then, the extra water begins to flow on the surface. It moves to the lower areas because it cannot enter the soil anymore. After that, the water level in rivers and drains rises slowly. The rivers become wider, and the drainage system works harder. Then the water overflows from the river banks. It spreads to the street, rice fields, and sometimes even to people's houses. Finally, the area becomes flooded.
Okay, thank you. That's cool. I have question. What the title of this text?
How flood is happened?
Kemudian, can you find the simple present tense at the text? Please
Yes.
mention the simple present tense. One simple present tense, please.
It
It
follows
follows
a clear
the rain
sequence of events.
The rain falls.
It follows
What the paragraph?
First.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, and the next, I think you understand. Let's analyze this. I have 5 questions like this, and then you write on your book, and then read loudly. I will choose one person per question. Okay, are you ready? I want to Farida.
Yes.
Please answer this question with read loudly.
What is the first step in the sequence of how trees help prevent flooding? The answer is the first step is that a tree grows from a small seed and receives sunlight and water to begin its growth.
Okay, and the next number 2 is Mbak Leni. Please answer the question.
How do tree roots contribute to strengthen the tree as it grows? The tree roots grow deeper and spread wider into the ground, which makes the tree stronger and more stable.
Okay, and the next number 3 is Mas Robit. Please.
Thus, holding the soil firmly help prevent erosion.
Pengikisan
And
tangan.
the answer is when the roots hold the soil firmly, the soil does not easily move or get washed away by rain, which helps prevent erosion.
The number 4 is please Mbak Deviana.
How does it improve soil absorption of the movement of rainwater? The answer, if the soil absorbs more water, less water flows on the surface. This makes rainwater move more slowly and reduce the amount of runoff.
Okay, and the last question will be answered by Mbak Jenar.
Question number 5. What might happen to the environment if there were no trees to perform the function described in the text? Without trees, the soil will become loose and easily eroded. Rainwater will fall faster on the surface, and the risk of flooding will increase significantly.
Yes. Okay, give applause for all of you. Okay. Any question or suggestion?
No.
Okay, I will ask you. Can you mention the generic structure of sequential explanation?
Title,
Okay.
general statement,
Yes.
sequential,
Sequence of events.
conclusion.
Yes.
Optional.
Do you know what the meaning of sequence of? Yes.
Rangkaian.
Kejadian.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Good. Okay, thank you, Mbak Farida. I think that's enough. Let's reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.